1. Romantic love. This type involves deep affection and passion between individuals, typically in a romantic relationship. It includes emotional connection, physical attraction, and intimacy. 2. Unrequited love. One person feels love for another who does not share the same feelings, often leading to frustration and heartache. 3. Platonic love. This type of love involves deep affection and connection without sexual attraction or romantic involvement. It's common in close friendships. 4. Companionate love. This love type emphasizes deep affection, trust, and commitment, often seen in long-term relationships and friendships. 5. Self-love. Refers to a person's love and appreciation for themselves, which is vital for emotional well-being and healthy relationships with others. 6. Infatuation. Often considered a more intense, but shorter-lived form of love, infatuation is characterized by an overwhelming attraction or obsession with someone. 7. Familial love. The love shared between family members, such as between parents and children or among siblings. This love is typically unconditional and protective. 8. Agape, selfless love. A spiritual or unconditional love, often described as altruistic and giving, without expecting anything in return. It's typically seen as the love one feels for others in a deeply compassionate way. Each type of love can be expressed in various ways, such as through actions, words, or gestures, and the reactions to love can range from joy and fulfillment to pain and longing.